Want more people to click on your YouTube videos? It all starts with the thumbnail. In this video, I'll walk you through the exact steps to design thumbnails that actually get clicks, without needing to be a professional designer. Let's get started. Section 1. Why thumbnails matter. First, why are thumbnails so important? Because when your video shows up in search or on someone's homepage, your thumbnail is the first thing they see. It's your video's first impression, and if it doesn't stand out, they'll scroll right past it. A strong thumbnail increases your click-through rate, or CTR, which tells YouTube your video is worth recommending. Section 2. The 3 rules of high-click thumbnails. There are 3 golden rules for thumbnails that get clicks. 1. Make it easy to see. 2. Make it emotionally engaging. And 3. Make it match the title, but not repeat it. Rule 1. Easy to see. Your thumbnails should be clear even on a small phone screen. Use big, bold text, if any. Keep the background simple and focus on one main subject. Don't clutter it. Less is more. Rule 2. Emotional engagement. Use facial expressions or images that spark curiosity. People click on what they feel: surprise, fear, joy, or mystery. Thumbnails that show emotion often outperform the rest. Rule 3. Support the title. Your thumbnail and title should work together as a team. If your title says 5 YouTube mistakes to avoid, your thumbnail might say, "Don't do this," with a shocked face and a big red X. Avoid repeating the title word for word in the thumbnail. Use it to build curiosity instead. Section 3. Thumbnail design tips for beginners. Now let's get into the actual design. You don't need Photoshop. Free tools like Canva or Photopea work just fine. Here are 3 things to focus on. Number 1. Use a consistent style. Same font, colors, and layout. Number 2. Contrast your text and background. Light on dark or dark on light. And number 3. Zoom in on faces or key objects so they stand out. Section 4. Thumbnail A/B testing. Want to know which thumbnail works better? YouTube offers A/B testing for up to 3 thumbnails at a time. Sometimes a tiny tweak, like changing a color, can increase clicks by a lot, and after running the test, you'll want to use the thumbnail that got the most clicks during the test. Section 5. Avoid these common mistakes. Avoid using too much text, 3 to 5 words max. Avoid low-contrast designs that are hard to read, and never mislead viewers with clickbait. If your thumbnail doesn't match your video, people will click out early, and your channel will suffer in the long run. Section 6. Real examples and what works. Let's look at some real examples. Compare a cluttered thumbnail with a clean one. Which would you click on? The clean one, right? That's because it instantly communicates the message without confusion. Clean, clear, compelling. Section 7. Final tips to boost clicks. Here are a few quick-fire tips to wrap up. Use the same style across your videos to build recognition. Add a face when possible. Faces draw attention. Use arrows, circles, or highlights to focus the viewer's eyes. And finally, preview your design at small sizes to make sure it still pops. If you want more practical YouTube tips like this one, hit that subscribe button and tap the bell so you don't miss out. And let me know in the comments, which thumbnail strategy are you going to try first? Thanks for watching Tube Savvy, where we keep it quick, clear, and click-worthy.